Hello students, in this video we are going to learn a chapter that is construction of triangles. In previous video we already learned about one type of construction and based on that we solved practice set 4.1. Now in this video we are going to learn second type of construction when the base, adjacent angle and the difference between two sides, remaining sides are given, and we are going to solve practice set 4.2. So let's start. Construction 2. To construct a triangle when its base and angle that is adjacent to the base and difference between the remaining side is given. So here, एक बेस दिया रहता है, बेस का लेंथ एंड वन एंगल इज गिवन विच इज एडजेसेंट टू द बेस and difference between the remaining two sides. So in the previous we learned that sum of the two sides, the remaining side, and here it is the difference between the remaining two side is given. The first one, practice set 4.2, in that first, construct triangle XYZ such that YZ equal to 7.4 centimeter, angle XYZ equal to 45 degree, and XY minus XZ equal to 2.7 centimeter. So here, by theorem of perpendicular bisector of segment XM is equal to XZ. Take it as 1, and XY equal to XM plus MY. So here XY equal to XM equal to XZ. So replace it as XZ plus MY. So therefore XY minus XZ, which is equal to MY, so which is equal to 2.7 centimeter. Now rough diagram is, first draw a base, that is, so this is the base and here it is angle 40 degree, so this is angle 40 degree, and join this. So this is triangle X Y Z, and here this is the line where it shows the 2.7 centimeter, that is MY, and here it is 7.4 centimeter. So here these two sides are equal. Now, so draw a diagram. First draw a YZ segment, that is 7.4 centimeter. Now draw a ray that has YL such that angle is 45 degree. So 45 degrees. So join this and extend the line. Now take a point M on the ray. This is Y Z. So this is the line L. So take a point M on the ray YL such that YM is 2.7 centimeter. Now take the length, that is 2.7 centimeter, and keep it on Y point and draw an arc and join these two. Now this is M, so here 2.7 centimeter, and this is 45 degree, and this is 7.4 centimeter. Now draw a perpendicular bisector for this. So like this. Similarly, keep it on point M. Cut this and join. So here join this or extend this. And this intersection point is called as X. Now join this X and Z. So here these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. So it completes our question number 1. Next, question number 2. Construct triangle PQR such that QR equal to 6.5 centimeter, PQR is equal to 60 degree, and PQ minus PR is equal to 2.5 centimeter. This is a rough diagram. So QR is a base and here angle is 60 degree and this length is 2.5. This is subtraction between these two, or difference between these two sides are 2.5 centimeter. So this is a PQR triangle. So here by theorem of perpendicular bisector of a segment, so we can say PL is equal to PR. So PQ is equal to PL plus LQ. So here PQ is equal to PR plus LQ. So therefore PQ minus PR is equal to LQ, which is equal to 2.5 centimeter. First draw a base that is 6.5 centimeter. Now take the angle Q, that is 60 degree, and join this. And here it is 6.5 centimeter. Now here LQ is 2.5 centimeter. So take the measurement of 2.5 and cut here and give a name as L and join these L and R. Now, take the perpendicular bisector for this LR and keep it here on L and cut this arc and join the line and extend it. Join this and give the name for this point, that is P, and after that join P and R. So here these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal because it is a perpendicular bisector. So it completes our question number 2. Next move on to the question number 3. Construct triangle ABC such that BC is equal to 6 cm, angle ABC equal to 100 degree and AC minus AB equal to 2.5 centimeter. So here rough diagram it comes like this. So here 6 centimeter and this is the angle 100 degree. This is, so here it becomes ABC and here it comes below this because angle is more than 90. So here it comes and it join this, that's 2.5 centimeter. So here these two sides are equal. Okay, so here consider AS equal to AC. Now AS equal to AB plus BS. So AS equal to, or AC equal to AB plus BS. So AC minus AB equal to BS, that is 2.5 centimeter. So how to draw or how to construct this? First draw the base 6 centimeter, that is BC. Now take the angle 100 degree, kept it on B and 100 degree, join and extend. Now take, extend it to down also because we have to take the measure in downwards, so extend this. Now take the measurement of 2.5 centimeter. So here 2 and 2.5. Now keep it on B and cut the line. And this line is called as S. So here 2.5 centimeter. Now join the C and S. Now take the perpendicular bisector for the CS. Put on C and join this. So this point is A. Now join this A and C. Here this is 90 degree. So these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. So this is the triangle ABC. I hope everyone clearly understood how to solve this type of question when base and one adjacent angle to the base, and the difference between the remaining two sides are given. So it completes our practice set 4.2. Next, in the next video, we are going to learn about the construction of third type, and we are going to solve practice set 4.3.